Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the TGIN Rose Water Collection, and I'm super excited to be reviewing this. You guys know I love TGIN. So first things first, we're going to start off in the shower. I'm going to start off with their Rose Water Sulfate-Free Shampoo. And I actually love this shampoo because it doesn't leave your hair feeling stripped after you rinse out the shampoo. So that's always a plus when I'm working with shampoos. The next thing I'm going to use is the Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask. And the smell of these products are not that perfumey, which I love because I don't like a strong smell right now, especially when I'm pregnant. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over to my hair. And then I'm going to let that sit for like 10 to 15 minutes under a dryer, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. But I really do love this hair mask because it left my hair super detangled and moisturized, and when you rinse out the hair mask, it kind of just melts all the tangles away. So yeah, these are the results after I rinse out that hair mask. Okay, so I already went ahead and applied the products to this side and a little bit of this side, so I'm going to show you guys how I do this one. It's just my typical routine. I'm just going to go ahead and take a section of hair, dampen it with some water, and then I'm going to apply the products, and I'm going to show you guys which products I am using from that Curls and Roses line. Okay, so first thing first, like I always do, I'm going to take my spray bottle and just dampen that section. So I'm going to go ahead and keep doing that until that whole section is completely wet. And then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner I'm using is the Rose Water Smoothing Leave-in Conditioner. And I could probably just use this by itself. You guys know I like doing my one product leave-in wash and goes. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Denman brush to detangle and make sure all of that is fully distributed evenly throughout that section. Then I'm going to go in with their Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse. Now I only use like one little pump of this. You don't need that much. A little goes a long way. And I'm just going to go ahead and shingle that through that section. So I'm going to section off my curls just to get some extra definition. So I really do love this mousse. I don't know if you guys have seen my other videos using TGIN, but I love pairing their leave-ins with their mousse because it just comes out like this fluffy, super defined wash and go, which you guys are going to see in the end. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep repeating these steps until I'm finished with my whole head, and I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like at the end. Okay, so I'm back and my hair is completely dried. I went ahead and sat under a dryer. I love the results. It is so super defined and it is nice and soft. There's no hard cast on it at all. And look at the amount of definition I have, you guys. I'm in love. As I said before, TGIN never fails. Like, my hair literally loves their products. I I know I've made like a couple videos using their products, so I highly recommend this line or any other lines, but this is their new rose water line, and these are the two products that I used. I used the leave-in and their mousse. So let me know if you guys have ever tried TGIN, because I always say that they are a good brand and I love them and it works so well with my hair. So I really hope that you guys try them and see if it works with your hair. And yeah, let me know if you guys like the results. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.